Are you planning to work in the expanding field of electric vehicles, or are you just interested in learning more about it? Then this video is for you. In this video I am going to explain electric vehicle charging, so let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mech Tutorials. Aims to add values in students and self-learners to learn and grow in career. Electric vehicle charging system consists of charger control unit, charging cable, and vehicle control unit. There are three ways of charging the battery of the electric vehicle: conductive charging, inductive charging, and replacing the battery. Conductive charging uses direct contact between EV connector and charge inlet. The cable can be fed from standard electrical outlet or charging station. Inductive charging uses electromagnetic (EM) field to transfer energy between two objects. Charging station is developed for this purpose. Energy is transmitted through inductive coupling to electrical device. This energy is used to charge batteries. Battery swapping is an alternative which involves exchanging discharged batteries for charged ones and provides flexibility to charge them separately. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Leave a comment below. Keep watching, keep learning.